Good job! You finished your lap in 12 seconds.
Eve, are you tracking the time for both of us?
Yes, but it's getting tricky to track both of your times. Can you give me some paper?
May I help you?
Who's talking to me?
It's me, here in the window.
Oh, it's Aadi's toy robot. Aadi, your toy robot is talking!
Wait, I'll be back in a minute. Gogu, please don't talk. No one knows about you yet. Stay in the room.
But I love helping you. Why are you hiding me?
Aadi, who are you talking to? Your robot?
Yes, this is Gogu, my best friend. He helps me with everything.
How is it possible? A toy acting like a human?
Gogu is programmed with artificial intelligence. He behaves like us.
Wow, that's awesome. Hello, Gogu.
Hello, Eve. I've heard a lot about you.
Hey, Gogu!
Hello, Kalin. Nice to meet you all.
Let's play now. Gogu will keep track of our lap times.
Sure, I'll help with that. Eve, why not use your coding skills to keep track of the lap times?
That's a great idea. I'll write a Python program. See, I've recorded both of your times.
Awesome.
Great work, Eve. Can I give you a simple challenge?
Of course.
Of course.
Can you write code to calculate the time difference between Aadi's and Kalin's laps?
Yes, I'll subtract their lap times. Gogu, can you check this?
It's perfect. Go ahead and run the code.
Yay, we did it!
We did it!
I'll keep practicing to finish my laps faster.
What if we want to track all of our future races?
Great question. You can write a program to store all race data and even decide the winner. But for now, let's just have fun. Hello, friends! I hope you had fun in today's episode. Aadi and his friends learned how to use Python to track lap times, calculate differences, and solve problems with coding. You also saw how we can use variables and basic math in our programs. Now it's your turn. Try coding and track your own race times. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next episode.